Good morning, everyone. Today, we discuss about the types of soil erosion. Okay, as we know, soil erosion is a process by which the soil is removed from Earth's surface by oxygenatic process such as wind and water flow, then transported and deposited in other location. There are two types of soil erosion generally, geological and accelerated erosion. According, these are based on origin. Okay, soil erosion can broadly be characterized in two ways. Okay, in accelerated erosion, there is one wind and another one is water. Okay, in water erosion means it's based on erosion agent. Soil erosion is broadly categorized into different types depending on the agent. Okay, agent which triggers the erosion actively. Mentioned below are four main types of soil erosion: rain, drop, rail, gully, bank, sheath, and landside erosion. Okay, these are six. And in a geological erosion, okay, means sometimes referred to as a natural or normal erosion, represent erosion under cover of vegetation. Okay, it includes soil as well as soil degradable process that maintain the soil in a favorable balance suitable for growth of plant growth. Okay, it caused by rainfall, runoff, wind, topography, and atmospheric temperature. Okay. In accelerated erosion, when the land is put under the cultivation, the natural balance existing between the soil, its vegetation cover, and climate is distributed. Okay. Under such condition, that removal of soil surface due to natural agency takes place at a faster rate that it can be avoided by soil formation process. Okay. Okay, so land preparation for rising crop. Okay, in secondly, land use pattern for like building houses, infrastructure, industry, hill cutting, deforestation, and watershed management. Okay, and what's about water erosion? Water erosion is seen in many parts of the world. In fact, running water is the most common agent of a soil erosion. This include river which eroded the river basin, rainwater which erode various land forms, and the sea waves which erode the coastal areas. Okay, the impact of raindrop cause splash erosion. Okay, means the flood water cause erosion by river banks, water wave cause erosion of a banks and slide of a reservoir and oceans. Okay, this figure shows the erosion by water. Okay, in this means many parts of the world, in fact, running water is the most common agent of soil erosion. This include river, which erode the river basin, rainwater, which erode various landform, and sea waves, which eroded the coastal areas. You can see in this image. Then we will discuss about wind erosion. As we know, wind is the most common witnessed in a dry areas where the strong wind push against the various landforms, cutting through them and losing the soil particles which are lifted and transported towards the direction in which the wind blows. Okay. Finer soil particles from the topsoil along with organic material and nutrients are easily detachable and removed by wind velocity. So it's the main cause of wind erosion. Now this figure shows the surface runoff. Okay, in this means confined flow of water over the ground surface in contrast to channel. Okay, runoff means it occurs when the excess rainwater, strong water, melted water, other source can longer efficient rapidly infiltrate in the soil. Okay, it causes the surface runoff. Hmm. This figure shows the bank erosion. Okay, in bank erosion, the wearing away the bank of stream or a river. This discrimination from erosion of a bank of the water courses, which is referred to as a source. Okay, this is the sheet erosion. Means we sheet erosion is nothing is a movement of soil from raindrop splash and run of water is typically over a uniform slope and goes unnoticed until most of the soil productive topsoil has been lost. Okay, this figure shows the seat erosion. In seat erosion, even erosion of substrate along a wide area, it's occur in a wide range of scatting, such as a coastal plain. You can see in this, and hill slopes, flood plain, beaches, savanna plains, and semi-arid plains. And lastly, reel erosion. Reel erosion is very small detachable channel called interreel when the process of soil erosion and deposition through the interreel is prolonged. Okay, this figure shows the reel erosion means that occurs the water flow over a hill. Okay, and cut shallow covered channels into the topsoil. The reel cannot be mended with the more water flow through the from the gullies. Okay, gully erosion means reeds are in a small in size and depth, but it can be destroyed by tillage machinery. But gully are not destroyed by tillage machinery. Okay, and gullies are larger in size, and the area of gully is more compared to reel. Okay, the advantage of reel is transformed into an initial stage from gully. Gully information are initiated when the depth width of the reel is more than 50 centimeter. Gullies are cheaper channels that cannot be removed by normal cultivation. Okay, this figure shows the gully erosion. Okay, you can see here means what there are four types of gully. Okay, depending on their depth and their width. Okay, means G1, G2, and G4. We symbolized by G1, G2, G3, and G4. Means eroded soil is easily carried by following water after being disclosed from the ground. Normally, when the rain fall during short, intense storm. Okay, it is a tillage erosion. Means in this tillage erosion is defined by the Soil Science Society of America as the downslope displacement of the soil through the action of tillage. It is easily to visualize that when the tillage operation are conducted in upslope direction, forward soil movement will be less than when the conducted. Okay, the tillage operation. This is the landslide erosion. In this, the movement of mass of rock debris on the earth down a slope. Landslides are a type of a mass wasting, which denoted any downslope movement. Okay, here, and the rock under the direction of influence by gravity. Okay. These are the problem of erosion, loss in agriculture production, loss of nutrients, reduction of infiltration rate, increased cost in a tillage operation, flood may be occurs in river, decrease in useful life of a reservoir, survival of wildlife, land degradation, cost of removal of sediment and desertification. Thank you so much.